right now, and these off-white walls that I have in my these off-white walls that I have in my room. Let me show you guys. ऐसी वाली, they are getting on my nerves and मेरे को ये बहुत ज़्यादा बोर कर रही हैं. I don't know what I am going to do about this, पर मेरे को नहीं पता. मेरे को ये वॉल्स नहीं चाहिए, बस नहीं चाहिए. आई एम सिक ऑफ दीज वॉल्स एंड लॉकडाउन में सब कुछ सीरियसली बोर करने लग गया है, एंड इवन मेरे रूम की वॉल्स तक मेरे को बोर कर रही हैं. बट आई एम गोइंग टू डू समथिंग अबाउट दिस, एंड मेरे को नहीं पता मैं क्या क्रिएट करने वाली हूँ, बट लेट्स सी.
To begin with this DIY, I had some CDs with me, and with the help of some tape, I just started peeling off the paint from these CDs. And I don't know why, but I felt that this was so oddly satisfying. I mean, this process was the process that I enjoyed doing the most in this whole DIY. And if you have some really old CDs with you, then you are going to have a hard time in peeling the paint off because they are just so stubborn, and I just wasted a lot of tape on them with 0% success rate. And then I threw these CDs away, and as soon as I threw them away, I got them back because maybe I thought I could use them later. Now once you get your clean CDs with you, then all you have to do is paint them with some white paint. Now I preferred using a fabric paint or an acrylic paint because it just ends up giving you a smooth surface and it's opaque enough, because if you use watercolor or poster color, then it is just gonna end up not so great because it is going to mix up with other paints too, so that is what we don't need, right? So I ended up painting the CDs with 2 coats because I thought that just gave me the perfect smooth finishing and the perfect opaque surface to work on with, and I left them to dry. As a kid, I always used to check my horoscope on TV or in newspaper on daily basis, and I think that's from where I got this inspiration of making my zodiac sign with its constellation on this CD, because I felt that this is something so close to me. Of course it is, because zodiac signs are just something close to you for obvious reasons, right? For the second CD, I decided to go on with the rainbow theme for the background, and I decided to paint a panda over it because panda is not just an animal, guys. It is such a mood, because if you are lazy like me, then not loving a panda is just not acceptable. I want to go out and eat donuts so badly that I ended up making a donut on this CD. Now this just explains how pathetic my condition is right now. I need to eat donuts as soon as possible, or I'll end up making a lot of them on the CDs and I'll just paste them on my wall. I decided to convert this CD into a wall hanging, and the result was really amazing. I just made this cat because I thought that it might look cute, and guess what? It did look cute in the end. By this point of time, I was so tired that I couldn't think of any ideas, and then I just took a marker and started drawing whatever came to my mind, and the result was pretty good, I guess. Earphones have become a part of my daily life, so I had to draw it. Did you know, guys, transparent CDs are the most aesthetic things you'll ever find. When life gives you lemons, make a lemonade. But on the bright side, I need my lemons back because they look more cool. But guess what? It's not easy to deal with them. So here comes my most treasured possession for obvious reasons. And here I am promoting my channel again. So if you liked watching this video, then do give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And click on the bell icon next to it so that you receive notifications every time I'll upload a new video. And don't be lazy like me, just do it. Just click on that red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Just do it. I believe in you. You are not lazy like me. Just do it.
Wrong with baby, I'm obsessed with you. I tell myself to quit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good, cause it feels too good. Yeah, I know what's wrong with baby, I'm obsessed with you. This ain't even love yet, I can't help but love it. I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I want it. No, it can't be good, cause it feels too good. Yeah, I know what's wrong with